Four, including two children, rushed to hospital after car ran off the road. Cops and emergency workers had to remove the vehicle from the sea. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Four people, including two children, were rushed to hospital after the vehicle in which they were traveling ran off the road and into the sea in the vicinity of Manly Meadows in Kingston on Saturday. Reports are that the vehicle was heading along Michael Manley Boulevard towards Harbour View when the driver lost control of the vehicle.
Away from the wrecker.
Sources said that the vehicle ran off the road and into the sea. The occupants of the vehicle, two adults and two children, were rescued by police and other persons who were passing the location. The frightened victims were rushed to hospital. The state of their condition up to the publication of this report is unknown. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.